Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. This video is being made on Monday, February 29, 2016, and in this particular video, I'm going to show you two gap fill examples that came about this morning. And even on a slow day in the market, when the market opened up, there was very low volatility today. There wasn't a lot of stocks moving large in one direction or the other, but nevertheless, we're always able to find gap fill trading opportunities each and every day in the market. And that's exactly what I show you in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. I teach you two specific strategies. One is the morning gap trades, and the second strategy is the gap fill trades, where I'm going to show you two good ones from this morning. The first one is Tesla Motors. What I like to do is I like to find the price levels based on the 60-minute chart. And as you can see here, this purple line running across the chart represents a price of $190.42, which represents the closing price from the prior trading day on the 60-minute chart, which was Friday, one trading day ago. So this morning, the stock opened up at 192.40 and immediately traded down to fill the gap and then back higher. Let's zoom in and take a look at the 10-minute chart to see exactly what happened. Here's your gap, and the stock came down, filled the gap, and in the first 10-minute candle of the day, the stock also hit a high of 196.35. That's a tremendous gain just in 10 minutes of trading off a gap fill from the prior trading day. That's the power of the gap fill strategy that I teach in my course over at LazyGapTrader.com. You can find these each and every day in the market, all day, every day. Gap fill opportunities are all over the place in this market. The second stock we're going to take a look at is a stock, Apache, and we're going to take a look at the 60-minute chart there first also. APA is the symbol, and here's your gap, again with the purple line running through it, 37.78, which is the gap left from the prior trading day, or two trading days ago, pardon me, and the gap was 37.78, which happened to be the closing price two trading sessions ago. So as you can see, the stock traded up and away from that gap, and this morning came back to fill that gap. And let's actually zoom in on the 10-minute chart and see where that happened. So you can see here, early in the morning, the stock traded down towards that gap, and at 10:10 in the morning, it pierced through that gap level at 37.78, making a low of 37.69. So you're only out of the money by 9 cents, and what happens? The stock immediately reverses, and by 11:30 in the morning, the stock hit a high of $38.89 for more than $1 gain. And in my course, I teach you how to take advantage of situations like this. I teach you how to turn a trade like this into a risk-free, emotionless trade by taking some of the profit off the table, letting the rest ride, and being able to gain as much out of a stock like this as possible on these gap fill opportunities. So I want you to come over to LazyGapTrader.com, check out the course. I teach you exactly how to find these opportunities, which stocks work the best with these opportunities, how to play these opportunities correctly, and most importantly, how to profit wildly from these opportunities each and every day. In my course, I teach two strategies: the morning gap strategy and gap fill strategy. What you saw here today was a representation of two stocks taking advantage of gap fills, or the gap fill strategy that you can find stocks like this each and every day in my course. I teach you exactly how to do this for yourself. I teach you how to profit in the market each and every day. Gap trading is the single best day trading strategy found in the market today. Come over to LazyGapTrader.com and let me show you what this is all about. I'm David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Thanks for tuning in, folks.